Alright, nature's scavenger hunt.
I'm just gonna mark off water because seriously, I can't remember this. Unless someone has a watering can. You know what? For water, can we change water to blue? So we can find anything blue.
Water is blue. Water is blue, right?
Water can be blue. It's sometimes clear.
I found grass in there.
And tree.
That bottom one. What is this? What is this, Ellen?
Tree bark.
Tree
That's what we both found. I'm just doing checks. Grass. Good.
Can we find any leaves?
Leaf. Alright. Leaf.
Found a leaf.
Brown leaves, yep. So color in the brown leaf.
Where was the brown leaf? Can't find the brown leaf.
Look for the picture of a brown leaf.
Green leaf. I found green leaf.
Where?
Green leaf.
Ah, yep. Those are a kind of leaf.
Green leaf.
Okay. What, are these what they are? Are these what they are right here?
What? A fern? No, those aren't ferns.
What are ferns?
I don't think ferns are out yet.
So let's just do an X.
Let's
do an X on ferns since they're not.
one. Wait.
Do an
That
X.
one.
Do an X on fern. X on ferns because they're not.
One.
Fern.
What's here? What's here?
Right here. Yep.
Found her. We found her.
Cool.
We found her.
Birdie, 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 birdie. I think if we hear a bird, it counts.
Well, maybe we can try to find one first, and then if we can't see it, we can check it off if we hear it.
I hear it. I heard it once. I heard one.
I can hear them too. Oh, I see flowers.
I already checked them out.
You didn't find them yet.
I saw them.
Birdie! Bird! Yep, there's a bird.
Yay!
We found a bird.
All we need is a bug. We need a bug. That's like all we need.
What about clouds?
I've been seeing.
I think we got plenty of clouds.
Yep. Is the clouds the rock?
Nope, the sea clouds.
I see
Oh.
rock.
And see rocks.
Now all we need.
How you doing, Lily?
Now all we need is bugs. We need a spider web, a bug, an ant.
And
a
water,
butterfly.
technically.
I got water, but that if there's blue, it counts. Blue. Maybe there's one in there.
Well, we're not going in there because it's closed. Nope, come over this way, please. It's closed. Oh, I found water.
Water.
Are you taking a picture of everything?
It's a video.
Oh.
We're doing really good on our scavenger hunt.
I said hot water.
21 more minutes and 13 seconds.
We're sticking on L's. We put an L on, right?
No, we're putting checks.
I put an L on.
Go, 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 go. Hey, everyone. Guys, let's split up.
Split up? Then how will we know you found it?
You look up front, I'll look up. And I'm going to go look up. Hey, guys, let's all split up. Guys, Erin, you go up front, I'll be over here.
Okay.